Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. We're going to talk about a very important change in the Philippine legal landscape, the Strategic Plan for Judicial Innovations, or SPJI, and how it is transforming the 2025 bar examinations. SPJI stands for the Strategic Plan for Judicial Innovations 2022 to 2027 of the Supreme Court of the Philippines. One of its big goals is to transform the bar into a truly modern licensure exam. If you're a law student, a bar reviewee, or simply interested in how the justice system is evolving, this talk is for you. The bar exams are no longer just a test of memory. They are becoming a modern, practice based licensure exam that reflects the demands of real world lawyering. So, what exactly is the SPJI? It is the Supreme Court's reform plan for the years 2022 to 2027. Its vision is called Justice Real Time, meaning justice that is accessible, efficient, and delivered without delay. This reform doesn't just affect courtrooms, it also covers legal education and, importantly, the bar exams. The idea is simple. If we want better justice, we need better prepared lawyers. Now, why does this matter to us in the bar exam context? Well, the bar is the gateway to the legal profession. With SPJI, the goal is to make sure new lawyers are practice ready. In the past, the bar mainly tested memorization, but today, the SPJI ensures that examinees are judged on their competence and ability to apply the law. This means that passing the bar is no longer about who memorized the most provisions. It's about who can actually think and work like lawyer. One of the biggest shifts is that the bar is now fully digital. Instead of handwritten exams, everything is computer based in testing centers across the country. Examinees now take the bar using laptops in secure testing centers. This makes the exam paperless, more efficient, and eco friendly. It also speeds up checking and allows results to be released much faster than before. Another big change. From the traditional 4 Sundays, the bar is now compressed into 3 exam days. Subjects are grouped into clusters. For example, political and international law together, or labor law with social legislation. This reduces exam fatigue and enables the Supreme Court to release results sooner. Questions are also changing. They are now shorter, more practical, and based on real life legal scenarios. The idea is to test analysis and application, not just recall. In other words, the exam now prepares you for actual lawyering, not just for passing the test. The grading system has also been modernized. Examiners are trained to use uniform standards, and the Supreme Court has introduced a bar exam information system that helps with analytics and checking. The result? Faster, fairer, and more consistent grading. Let's look at the 2025 schedule. It is set for September. First day, September 7, morning, political and international law. Afternoon, commercial and taxation laws. Second day, September 10, morning, civil law. Afternoon, labor law and social legislation. Third day, September 14, morning, criminal law. Afternoon, remedial law, legal ethics, and legal forms. Each exam has 20 essay questions, each worth 5%, graded on a 0 to 100% scale. Here is an example of how the questions are evolving. In the old style, it goes like this. Discuss the doctrines of immutability of judgments and its exceptions. Well, that's purely academic recall. In the new SPJI style, it goes like this. A trial court rendered a final judgment against X. Later, X discovered new evidence that could change the outcome. So, what remedy is available? Explain briefly. See the difference? It's practical lawyering, not just theory. The old question is academic, the new one is practical, testing how examinees would respond as actual lawyers. So, what's the big picture? The bar is now digital, efficient, and done in just 3 exam days. The questions are competency based and practical. The grading system is fairer and more transparent. All of these ties back to the Supreme Court's vision of justice real time, a justice system that is modern, accessible, and responsive to the needs of the people. All right, folks, if you found this video helpful and substantial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Daghang salamat.